Ever pondered about the significance of biotechnology and genomics in our lives? In the grand tapestry of science, two threads, biotechnology and genomics, weave a fascinating narrative, a tale of discovery and innovation that's rapidly reshaping our world. Let's peel back the layers of this complex field and explore its marvels. Biotechnology, at its core, harnesses cellular and biomolecular processes to develop technologies and products that help improve our lives. It's like nature's own toolbox, filled with a plethora of tools that we can use to solve some of our most pressing problems. From creating more effective medications to developing hardier crops, biotechnology is a cornerstone of modern science. Meanwhile, genomics, a subset of biotechnology, focuses on the structure, function, evolution, and mapping of genomes, the complete set of genes or genetic material present in a cell or organism. It's like peering into the very blueprint of life itself. Genomics allows us to understand how life works at the most fundamental level and gives us the power to edit, modify, and improve upon nature's designs. So how do these technologies work? Let's start with the basics. DNA sequencing, a cornerstone of genomics, is the process of determining the precise order of nucleotides within a DNA molecule. It's akin to reading the chapters of a book, each letter unveiling part of the story of life. Genetic engineering, on the other hand, allows us to modify this genetic code. Imagine having the power to edit a book, to change its narrative. That's what genetic engineering enables us to do. We can insert, remove, or alter DNA sequences to bring about desired traits or functions. Big names in the field like Genentech, Illumina, and CRISPR Therapeutics are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, pioneering new techniques that are revolutionizing medicine, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. Biotechnology and genomics are reshaping our world, one gene at a time. They're not just scientific disciplines, they're the keys to unlocking a better future. Who are the key players pushing the boundaries in the world of biotechnology and genomics? Let's delve into the realm of these scientific pioneers, the titans of the field who are at the forefront of this revolutionary technology. Illumina, Genentech, and CRISPR Therapeutics, these are the names that echo in the halls of biotech and genomics, leading the charge in an era of genetic revolution. First, we have Illumina. Illumina is a juggernaut in the world of genomics, working tirelessly to improve our understanding of genetics. They are the creators of sequencing and array-based solutions for genetic research. Illumina's contributions to the field have been instrumental in sequencing genomes at an unprecedented scale, enabling scientists to decode the mysteries of life in ways we never thought possible. Then there's Genentech, a biotech titan that has been a pioneer in the industry for over 4 decades. Genentech's work is rooted in the belief that every genetic code contains a story waiting to be told. Their innovative medicines and therapies have transformed the way we treat diseases, turning once fatal diagnoses into manageable conditions. Genentech's dedication to uncovering the secrets of our DNA has resulted in breakthroughs that have changed the face of medicine. And let's not forget CRISPR Therapeutics. CRISPR is at the cutting edge of gene editing technology, harnessing the power of a revolutionary tool that can modify DNA sequences and alter gene function. Their work has vast implications, from curing genetic diseases to improving crop yield in agriculture. While the ethical implications of such technology are hotly debated, there's no denying that CRISPR is pushing the boundaries of what's scientifically possible. These companies, Illumina, Genentech, and CRISPR Therapeutics, are the titans of the field. They are driving a revolution, transforming our understanding of life at its most fundamental level. Their work is not just about decoding the genetic blueprint of life, but about rewriting it to overcome the challenges of disease, hunger, and more. These companies are at the forefront of a genetic revolution, setting the stage for a future we can only imagine. Why does this technology matter so much, and why should we care, you might wonder? Well, let's dive in to find out. Biotechnology and genomics are more than just buzzwords. They're the keys to unlocking a future where we can understand, manipulate, and even design life on a molecular level. Imagine a world where we could tailor-make medical treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup, creating a world of personalized medicine. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that we are inching closer to every day. Thanks to the advancements in genomics, gene therapy, for instance, is an area that holds immense promise. By introducing, removing, or altering genetic material within a person's cells, we could potentially treat or even cure genetic diseases. Conditions that were once thought incurable could become a thing of the past. In fact, some forms of blindness, blood disorders, and even certain types of cancer are already being targeted through gene therapy trials. Let's take a step outside the clinic and into the fields. Agriculture is another area where biotechnology is making significant strides. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, are helping us cultivate crops that are more nutritious, resistant to pests and diseases, and capable of thriving in challenging environmental conditions. With a rapidly growing global population and the impacts of climate change, GMOs could very well be the key to ensuring food security in the future. But the impact of biotechnology and genomics isn't just confined to the realms of medicine and agriculture. It's also making waves in environmental conservation through an approach known as bioremediation. This innovative technique uses microorganisms to clean up pollutants from our environment. From oil spills to radioactive waste, bioremediation is helping us tackle some of the most pressing environmental issues of our time. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to alter life at its most fundamental level raises significant ethical questions. The potential for misuse is real, and we must tread this path with caution. From concerns about the creation of designer babies to the impact of genetically modified crops on biodiversity, these technologies are forcing us to reconsider our ethical boundaries. The conversation around these ethical implications is crucial, and it's one that we all need to be a part of. After all, biotechnology and genomics are not just tools in the hands of scientists and researchers, they're shaping the future of our planet and all life upon it. So why does this technology matter so much, and why should we care? Because it's transforming the world as we know it, and the changes it brings will touch every aspect of our lives. The power to manipulate life at the genetic level carries immense potential but also profound responsibility. Let's ensure that this power is wielded wisely. What does the future hold for biotechnology and genomics? As we step into the final scene, let's cast our gaze forward, into the realm of possibilities that these fields present. Imagine a world where parents can design their babies, selecting traits like eye color, intelligence, and even predisposition to certain diseases. This is not a science fiction scenario, but a very real prospect on the horizon of biotechnology and genomics. These designer babies could potentially herald a new era of human evolution driven not by natural selection, but by our own choices and desires. Picture fields upon fields of supercrops engineered to resist pests, withstand harsh climates, and yield bountiful harvests. These genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, could revolutionize agriculture, ensuring food security for a rapidly growing global population. Venture further into the realm of the extraordinary, and you'll find the concept of biological computers. Using DNA and other biological materials, we could potentially build computers that are smaller, faster, and more energy efficient than anything we've seen before. But as we hurtle towards this brave new future, it's crucial to remember the need for continued research and development. Every breakthrough we've discussed today is the result of countless hours of painstaking research by dedicated scientists. The potential of biotechnology and genomics is vast, but so are the ethical, legal, and social implications of their application. Public understanding and engagement are also key to navigating this complex landscape. After all, these technologies don't just belong to the scientists in their labs, but to all of us. They have the power to transform our lives in profound ways, and it's vital that we all have a say in how they're used. In the realm of biotechnology and genomics, the future is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality we are shaping today. As we stand on the precipice of a genetic revolution, let's embrace the power we hold and chart a course towards a future that reflects our highest hopes and aspirations.